Today's question is, why did Allah send messengers? Here I would like to present 9 points. Allah promised to Adam alayhi salam that He will be sending messengers from time to time in order to follow Allah's guidance via Jibreel alayhi salam. Allah has sent messengers so they can call the people to worship Allah alone and to provide them with a set of guidelines to live their life according to Islam. People should not ascribe any partner with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And in order that mankind should have no plea against Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the hereafter, that their forefather has changed Allah's message and nobody has corrected them. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has closed all the doors. Allah said to Adam alayhi salam, I will be sending messenger from time to time. I know the human beings, they will change my message, but I will send the messengers after messenger to correct the message, and at the last messenger will be the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the Quran nobody will be able to change. Thank you.